Right, it's Tuesday, April 30th. I'm buying some SPY 515 puts here at 731. This is on the 15-minute chart that's kind of just grinding inside that first bar all morning long here. On this red bar, it looked like it was going to take out that first bar low and possibly a pre-market lows. It came down, took that first bar low, reversed, but then we had this kind of shooter bar here, and then now we're getting a two down red bar again. So I think we're going to come down and take out that intraday low and likely the pre-market lows, and we'll just see if this is a pinball effect to give us a two down day. If we follow through lower, we're not quite there yet. A two down day has a target down here, and that starts getting close to getting to the midway point of this, weekly bar to maybe get a two-up failure to start the week. We're definitely below the open of the week, 2 days in here a little bit, but that doesn't mean anything at the moment, other than, you can sense that we're heading a little lower to start the week. But we're still, on a two-up week that could get up here by the end of the week. So the key is always intraday structure, how it's forming. And since we've had a couple of chances to get above that first bar high and to get up towards, the pre-market highs, it's not doing that. I sense that, number one, it wants to break lower, take out liquidity, and then we'll see if that ends up being a kind of a momentum play that builds, strength to the downside. I can't say that for sure, since we're just, you can see we're just in this big range in here. So maybe we're just at the bottom of the range and we'll bring in big buying again. But if it breaks through and doesn't hold, then, this would be the start of that given opening price action here that seems to want to at least test those. So either it's going to take out liquidity and then start up again and become a tricky day, to trade to the upside, or it's going to possibly, fail and maybe break out of this range to the downside and set up a whole chain reaction to get a weekly failure starting. So I'm going to go with that and just see what happens. Like I said, I think you should take out this low and maybe get to those pre-market lows down here, and that could set up a good cushion for a no risk trade, just to see what really unfolds here as the day goes on. That'll tell the story, how this daily bar closes as to what might be developing for the rest of the week.